what's up for April. Mercury rising, this month's moon and planet pairings, and the Lyrid meteor shower. First up on April 11th, the planet Mercury, smallest and fastest moving of the planets in our solar system, will reach its highest and most visible in the evening sky for the year. Mercury is only visible in the sky for a few weeks every 3 to 4 months. The rest of the time, it's too close to the sun in the sky and is lost in its bright glare. And since the planet orbits so close to the sun, it's always near the sun in the sky, appearing low near the horizon for no more than an hour or two, either following sunset or preceding sunrise. Some of Mercury's fleeting appearances, known as apparitions, are better for observing than others, for a combination of reasons that have to do with how our view of the solar system changes with the seasons, what hemisphere you're in, and what phase the planet happens to be showing us at the time. For this apparition in the northern hemisphere, the best viewing is April 3rd through the 11th, as the planet appears higher in the sky each evening. It quickly fades in brightness after that, as the phase it shows us becomes an increasingly slimmer crescent. Also on April 11th, you'll find the planet Venus, right next to the Pleiades star cluster. The two will be close enough to appear in the same field of view through binoculars. This pairing makes for a fun reminder that the night sky is kind of like a time machine. The farther out in space you look, the farther back in time you're seeing. On that night, you're seeing light that left Venus about 9 minutes earlier, whereas the light of the Pleiades left those stars around 400 years ago. The latter half of April includes some awesome close approaches of the moon with 3 of the bright planets in the sky. On April 15th and 16th, you'll find the crescent moon rising with Saturn. Find them low in the southeastern sky in the couple of hours before sunrise. Then on the evening of the 23rd, find the slim crescent moon hanging just 5 degrees above Venus in the west after sunset. And on April 25th, the moon finds its way over to Mars high up in the west after dark. At this time, around the 26th and 27th, the moon will be at its first quarter phase, meaning it appears as a half moon high in the sky after dark. The first quarter moon is a great time to pull out your binoculars or telescope if you have them, as it's an ideal time to observe the moon's craters and mountains along the terminator, the day-night boundary, with ease. Lots of astronomy clubs plan public observing nights around this time as well, and you can look for events in your area with NASA's Night Sky Network. April brings the annual Lyrid meteor shower. It's a medium-strength shower that can produce up to 20 meteors per hour at its peak under ideal conditions. The Lyrids peak this year in the pre-dawn hours of April 23rd, though you should see a few shooting stars on the morning before and after the peak as well. Fortunately, the peak falls just a couple of days after the new moon. That means the moon won't interfere with this year's Lyrids, overwhelming fainter meteors in the glow of moonlight. The Lyrids are named for the constellation Lyra, which is near the point in the sky where their meteors appear to come from, called the radiant. They're one of the oldest known meteor showers, with a first recorded sighting in China some 2,700 years ago. They originate as dust particles from a comet during its 400-year orbit around the Sun. The Lyrids tend to produce fast-moving meteors that lack persistent trails, but they can also produce the occasional bright meteor called a fireball. To observe them, find a comfortable spot away from bright city lights, get horizontal, and look straight up. You'll see the most meteors by looking slightly away from the origin point, which is near the bright star Vega. So here's wishing you clear skies to catch a few shooting stars one April morning, when the forecast calls for light showers of comet dust, with a chance of fireballs. Here are the phases of the moon for April. Stay up to date with all of NASA's missions to explore the solar system and beyond at nasa.gov. I'm Preston Dykes from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and that's what's up for this month.
And we can see the docking port coming into view just to the left and a little bit down from the crosshairs, the docking port on the Rassvet module. Down to the right is the service module of the Cygnus spacecraft. You can tell by the two large circular solar arrays to either side docked to Node 1, so it'll be just next door to this Soyuz spacecraft.
The range rate is minus 0.4, and the crosshairs are aligned. Copy.
Range rate 0.34, and the target is in the center of the screen. And the angle of the docking port is in line with the range estimation. Range 53, closing rate is 0.2. SSVP probe extension and confirmed, transfer hatch closed, hooks open, latches engaged.
And this view giving you a great shot at the very top of the Soyuz. You can see just in the center of that metallic circle a small probe. That's the docking probe that the Soyuz spacecraft extends. It's going to get captured by a docking cone on the bottom part of the Rassvet module, and at that point we'll have docking.
Docking target is in the center, crosshairs are aligned. Mark, could you please start the stopwatch? Copy. Target is in the center, crosshairs aligned. There is a small misalignment.
And we will stand by for contact and docking.
Size of the line of sight, copy. Range is 3. The docking target is in the center. The crosshairs are aligned. Standing by for contact. Contact confirmed at 140506. Mechanical link established. At 7
Contact and capture coming at 6:05 a.m. Central, 11:05 GMT. While station and Soyuz flew 262 statute miles over northern China.
We have you loud and clear. How are you feeling, Oleg? How is the crew doing? The crew is doing just fine. The vehicle was very reliable. Everything was very reliable and stable. On behalf of the State Commission, we would like to extend our congratulations. Congratulations to Oleg, to Mark, on the successful flight. He is in the short rendezvous profile, and we've had excellent results, excellent docking, retraction. So we're very happy for you.
And there we see hatch open. Hatch coming open at 8:20 a.m. Central Time, 13:20 GMT. The station flying 270 statute miles over the South Pacific. Oleg Novitsky first through the door, the Soyuz commander, making his third trip to the International Space Station. Just behind him, the newcomer, the rookie amongst them, Pyotr Dubrov, making his first flight into space. And then last but certainly not least, we'll get it there. We see Mark Vande Hei making his second flight, his second long duration stay on board the International Space Station. And with that, all 3 crew members through the hatch, all 3 crew members now on board the station. Expedition 64 at 10 people strong.
МКС нас слышит.
Station, do you read us?
Да, слышим, передаю Олегу.
Yes, we read you. Oleg will be speaking.
Алло, Олег, ты нас слышишь?
Oleg, do you read us?
Ура, слышим. Пап, привет.
Father, it's me.
Привет, привет.
Hello. Hello to you.
Котика, да, вас ждет.
We're waiting for you to return home, and please show me the cat.
Прилетел сюда.
Here you are.
Как тебе дела?
Are you doing all right?
У меня хорошо, у вас как?
I'm fine. How about yourselves? We are good.
Мы очень быстро прилетели.
We arrived at the station so quickly.
Мы все видели.
Yes, we saw it.
Все видели, это хорошо.
You saw it. That's good.
Пап, привет.
And now give the phone to your mother. Yes.
Да, узнал, молодец. В этот раз ты получше.
Or first, maybe to the elder daughter.
Вас всех в суп пустили?
Did they let everybody into MCC Moscow? Yes. Because we are a family.
Алло, Олег, мы очень рады, что вы...
Oleg, hello. We're so glad that you had a nominal flight, and we wish you to have a safe flight on the station. We wish you all the best. So I will pass on the phone to the next person, and then you will give it your microphone to Piotr.
Да, Петь, привет. Мы сели с семействами.
Hello, hello. We're here.
Как настроение? Как самочувствие?
Are you feeling good? Are you in a good mood? Yes, indeed. Everything is going well here.
Ты выходил улыбающимся, и это было очень приятно.
It was so good to see you smiling
Это замечательное место.
as you were getting out of the Soyuz hatch. Well, it's a great event.
Сейчас многие слышат. Хотел передать большую благодарность всем
I
сотрудникам.
wanted to say that I'm very grateful to all the Roscosmos personnel who did such a great job supporting you. Yes, indeed. And we will convey that to them.
Обратно. На рыбалку. И
And when you come back, we'll go fishing.
все правильно.
Yes, I'm looking forward to that.
Петя, привет.
Next. Hello, Piotr.
Смотрели сегодня с утра, да, тоже готовились, побрились, оделись красиво.
We've been getting ready for this event for a long time. We got dressed very smartly and got shaved.
Сидит близко там знакомый человек, да, вот, друг. Поэтому
And of course, we were concerned about you because people so close to us were flying in space.
потом мы тебя без впечатлений не выпустим.
And of course, we are looking forward to you telling us all your impressions from your first flight. Otherwise, you're going to stay on the station until you write a full report
Хорошо, спасибо. Конец связи.
The reply was inaudible. Okay, thank you, and that's it.
Папа, знаешь, вот едут сели суавы.
Что?
Father,
Суавы приедут.
when are you coming back?
Гости приедут.
Да.
And also, when are you going to have some guests on the station? Did you say guests? Yes.
Тебе передают привет и поздравления все друзья, все знакомые.
All your friends and acquaintances are giving the warm regards to you. The phone is ringing off the hook. Everybody was watching your flight. And thank you for the video greetings that you sent.
Обязательно всем передам. Мы очень сильно
I will tell your thanks to them. We tried. We made a big effort to make it
обязательно
a
дам
good greeting.
выдумкой, так сказать, театрально учились.
It was very creative. It was done by students
Как вас
of Theater Academy.
Замечательно. Сейчас же будем много работать.
How is it on the space station? It's perfect. We're looking forward to starting the work.
понятно? Ну, вы работаете, а мы за вас здесь отдохнем.
All right, you work, and we'll take it easy
Хорошо.
for you. Okay, and then we'll swap.
Удачи, всего хорошего. Сейчас еще Рита, секунду.
We wish you all the best.
Что сказать?
And also, one more thing.
Рита просит еще раз показать котика Гала.
Please show the wolf kitten again. Rita is asking for it.
Вот.
There he goes.
Увидела?
Рита,
Did you see it?
Рита и щенок очень радуются. Спасибо.
Yes, Rita is very happy,
Все, теперь будем ждать от тебя звонка, когда у тебя будет...
and we'll be looking forward to you calling us
Будем ждать звонка.
from the space station. You can call Rita and the little puppy, the toy puppy.
Все, удачи вам, всего доброго, ждем.
Good luck to you. We're looking forward to the next call from you. Yes, indeed. Moscow Station, Space to Ground 1.
На связи Г1, да, Сергей, заканчиваем конференцию. Ребята, очень рады слышать вас.
So we can conclude the conference, and thank you. It went very well, and all the best to you.